In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a strip on your Wix website efficiently and seamlessly. This skill can be quite handy when you're looking to tidy up your site or temporarily remove content that you don't want your visitors to see, while still keeping it accessible to you in the editor for future use. First, let's start by selecting the strip you want to hide within the Wix editor. Whether it's a promotional banner, a section with outdated content, or just a spot holder strip that you're not quite ready to showcase, you'll want to make sure you've chosen the correct one. By doing so, you ensure that you're making these visibility adjustments to the right strip without affecting other parts of your site that you'd like to keep visible. Take a moment to double-check that you've highlighted the correct strip. It's always a good idea to be certain before proceeding. Once you've confirmed your selection, direct your attention to the strip's toolbar, conveniently located right alongside your chosen strip in the editor. You'll notice an eye icon there, which represents the Show Hide function. This icon is straightforwardly designed to help users control the visibility of individual strips on their websites. Go ahead and click on the eye icon. This action is what triggers the strip to be hidden from your live website. One great aspect of this feature is that it allows you to make site changes in real time, keeping your visitors engaged with up-to-date and relevant content. After clicking the icon, the system will prompt you to confirm your action. This prompt serves as a failsafe, preventing you from accidentally hiding something important. Confirming this action will effectively hide the strip from the public view on your website, ensuring that it no longer appears when visitors check out your site. Yet, don't worry. This strip is not gone forever. It remains perfectly visible and accessible to you in the Wix editor itself. This feature is especially useful if you anticipate needing the content again in the future, or if you're still tweaking it in the background. This process keeps your editing environment intact while providing the flexibility to manage what your visitors see at any given time. It's a practical way to maintain seasonal content, test new designs, or simply declutter your page without losing valuable work. Mastering this simple action can significantly enhance your control over your Wix site's presentation. Remember, you can always reverse this change by following these steps and simply clicking that eye icon again to show the strip once you're ready to make it visible to your audience. With this easy-to-follow method, you can keep your website content fresh and appropriately displayed for your visitors while maintaining full control behind the scenes.